heard it was a beer.
Right.
Right, Dada?
It's not a deer, it's a beer.
Deer. But I am. Hey, Dada. Happy holidays to you. Season's greetings. How you feeling?
All right.
You enjoying yourself? This is 99 years of celebrating, huh?
Yeah.
How does it feel?
All right.
You feel all right?
Yeah.
You enjoying your family?
Yeah, I enjoy it.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
And you feel good. You look wonderful.
Yeah.
That's good. That's a blessing.
Yeah.
Good talking with you.
Huh?
I said good talking with you.
Yeah, it is.
You
Good
enjoy
talking to you too.
You love talking to me, huh?
I often think about you.
Oh, that's good. I like that.
Yeah.
And don't I surprise you and call you?
Huh?
Don't I surprise you and call you?
Yeah.
And don't you get a kick out of it? And you be cracking up. Because I be in Los Angeles, I think of you and I call you. Don't I?
Please sing the Titanic for her. Sing the Titanic song for her. Sing. Go ahead, tell her. Sing.
It was on a Monday morning, about 1 o'clock, and that great Titanic began to wheel and rock. People began to scream and cry, saying, "Oh Lord, I'm going to die." It was sad when that great ship went down. Don't you know it was sad when the great ship went down? Oh, but it was when the children lose their lives. It was sad when that great ship went down.
All right. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. 99 and still holding the tune, singing. You represent
The great Titanic that sank.
the great Titanic that sank. She sang this song live.
Everyone is in the building. ATL, Miami, Pittsburgh, North Carolina, Queens, New Jersey, Connecticut, having so much fun. Family is everything.
That's it. That's all you got, right, Dada?
Yeah.
All you got is your family, right?
Yes, oh.
That's it. Without it,
Now she's singing. She wants to sing.
Santa Claus is coming to town. He knows when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. But you better watch out for goodness sake, 'cause Santa Claus is coming to town.
all righty, girl. They're taking Dada to the table. Table is set. The elder, the oldest family member, now getting ready to sit so they can delight in their special night. It's all good. On this beautiful family gathering day, that's what I call it. I don't celebrate the commercialism of it. I celebrate to make the curry shrimp for them so they can enjoy all this food that we made and gather together with our family to break bread, to get ready for the next year, to have fun and love one another and enjoy that we're here spending quality time with each other. It's your girl, Bessie, aka Happy to Be Miss Happy. And this is the official Happy to Be Happy. End of the 2009. Tomorrow's Kwanzaa. Today is their Christmas Day. We're all celebrating each other, family, life, and loving one another. And I hope you did the same thing on your day.
Positive affirmation. Positive affirmation. Positive affirmation. Positive affirmation. Positive affirmation. Queen God is here to let you know, never fear, because the Most High is always there to guide, never to divide.